Hello everyone, this is Will from Apple121. Thank you very much for joining us for this video. We absolutely would love if you can like and subscribe all the content that we're creating, and definitely leave any comments in our notes, and we always try to get back to them, especially if you have any questions. We appreciate you guys growing this channel. We're going to hopefully hit 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing, from no advertising whatsoever, just great videos to give you guys some great content. Today was something very special. I wanted to actually show you something that maybe a lot of people don't know about, and that is that if you have a Spotify account and you want to actually move music over to Apple Music, if you're deciding to make that transition, you actually have the ability to do that. What we're going to do today is go over how to get music from another service and put it onto your own Apple Music account. Now, there are some rules regarding how to do this. The one we're going to work on today is Spotify, because I think that's the most popular platform. People like Spotify. I haven't used Spotify a lot, but I decided for this video to make a playlist, show you how it's done and how to transfer it. So number one is that I am on the web browser of Apple Music. It's music.apple.com. You want to obviously sign into your account prior to doing this. And what we're going to do now is use the tool that was created that allows you to do this. Now, this is not a very known tool, but it's amazing that this even exists, and I don't think a lot of people know about it. On the top right corner of where your face is going to be, basically, is that you click in there, and there's an option in there called Transfer Music. And this will open up a brand new window. It now asks you, what do you want to move over? So they're also showing you Amazon Music, they're showing you Spotify, Tidal, and YouTube. So you have a whole bunch of different options. They are using a service called SongShift. That is the app that I guess is doing this. So we're going to click on Spotify. It now asks me that it's able to connect to do the following items. That it's if you're going to look at your data and stuff like that, you can hit agree. Now it's asking me, do you want to move over all your songs and albums and playlists? Now, playlists, the only ones I can move over with Spotify is ones that you have created yourself. So before I do the transfer, what I'm going to do is open up my Spotify so you can see it. Now, what I think makes this very easy is already being signed into both services. You want to be signed into your Apple Music, and you want to be signed in to your Spotify prior to doing this. That way it's a lot easier for you. But I made a album here called Now That's what I call Music Volume 1. I was a huge Now album collector, and I literally took every single song that was in that album and I put it here as my own playlist. So that's what I did. So what the goal is to move this playlist over to Apple Music. So it's going to take all my songs, all my albums, and all my playlists that I've created. So any curated list from somewhere else will not be moving over. So you're going to want to create the list prior. Let's hit add to library. On the bottom left corner here, it says transfer will automatically start soon. So now it's time to it's a waiting game to move all the stuff over. Now, I didn't have a lot of stuff, and I've also heard that if there is music that is not in Apple Music, it's going to tell you that. On the bottom right, we now hear transfer complete OK, hit OK. So now if I scroll down the list, we should see it here. So I'm not seeing this up here right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Open Music. So it's actually going to open the Music app. Here it is. And then if I scroll down, let's take a look if the album is there. And here we are. Now That's What I Call Music Volume 1 is right here. I click on it, and here's everything. In the exact order, by the way, that I kept it. So that was pretty easy. And then I can go ahead and, edit this and do what I want with it. But a very powerful tool here to use with Spotify. So you can move your music over to Spotify. As long as you're an Apple Music subscriber, you can definitely get access to all that stuff. So that's the key. You do have to be part of Apple Music. It's very interesting how I go on the Apple Music site and it's not here. So the only thing is that either there's a sync issue or maybe I have to sign in and sign back out. Not sure why this hasn't actually shown up on the site. So a little interesting thing. So just something to keep in mind, that maybe you have to open your music app for it to work. I do have an Amazon Music account, so I'm very curious how this works. So I'm going to do this on the fly as I'm going along. So I did the allow stuff. So I'm going through my playlist, and they actually did find this classical love playlist that I have here. I'm not going to check that off. It says transfer all your playlists at once or handpick ones you've added. So I guess I have a classic love list I made here, but I'm not going to do that. I don't want to add this to my library. But as you can see, I have an Apple Music account, I have an Amazon Music account, I had a Spotify account. So these are the services that are available to do it. I wanted to show you this, as well as if you have a YouTube subscription premium as well, which I've never owned. But really cool, neat service that I didn't even know about till I learned about it. And I think that if you want to make the transition over and you have stuff on Spotify to move over to your Apple Music, you could absolutely do it. So great service. Small video today for you guys to look at. I hope you guys got something out of this, and definitely try it out. Thank you very much, and I love every single one of you.